Hello class 6, welcome back to another session of computer class. This is your Avjit sir, and today I'll be presenting you the topic Internet terms. Important Internet terms. WWW. It stands for World Wide Web. Now, it is a collection of digital pages of information on different topics. Now, you must have seen the web pages, and the web pages consist of videos, audios, text, images, and these pages are called digital because it contains videos as well as audios where we will not find generally in our books, and when we click on the links it will automatically take us to another web page. Now it consists of topics on different subjects. It may be sports, it may be your different subjects, physics, chemistry, biology. You can think of any subjects, you will get a lot of information on that particular subjects. So that is termed as WWW. Websites. The collection of related web pages is known as websites. Now you will see, suppose you are working on, say, physics chapter. So that particular chapter, say light. So when you are working on that particular chapter, when you click on some links, it will take you to another web page or websites. That is exactly known as websites. That is, when you click on the related page, it will link you to another web page, which is called websites. So the collection of related web pages is known as websites. URL. Now it stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Actually, it is nothing but the address of a web page. Now you have seen that when you type www.google.com, that is the address. So in computer terms or internet terms, we call it URL. So URL is exactly, the meaning is address of the web page. For example, www.google.com. Telnet. Now it is a network protocol used to virtually access a computer and to provide a two-way collaborative and text-based communication channels between two machines. Network protocol means network rules and regulations used to virtually means not real but seems to be real. So used to virtually access your computer and provide a two-way collaborative and text-based communications. So the communication can be done on text-based. You can send text messages. So text-based communication channel between two machines. Two machines means two computers. Next is FTP. It stands for File Transfer Protocol. Now it is a network protocol that allows a user to upload. Means you can send your informations to the internet. It may be your image, it may be your text. So when you send to the internet, it is called upload. And when you try to store the text or the messages, the images in your computer, it is called download. So it allows a user to upload or download files to or from a remote computer. That means we can transfer our files from our computer to the net or from the net to our computers. Bulletin board and blogs. It is a distributed information board that helps to get the news as well as interact on them. So bulletin board is nothing but the informations that is displayed, and we can also interact on those informations or news that are displayed on the board. Cloud storage. The data can be stored online in a cloud and can be used anywhere and anytime without the need of physically carrying data in a device. That means you can store the informations, your pictures, your photographs, your text-based informations can be stored on online, and that doesn't mean you have to carry your laptop or mobile phone. You can see from any other phone, you can see from any other computer, laptop, and you can get your all the informations through the cloud storage. Browsing and surfing. So it is interrelated terms used to denote exploration of the internet, the applications that allows to view the contents of the web and visit different websites on the URL is known as browsing. So generally browsing and surfing, the meaning is interrelated, more or less same, and it means that when you work on the computer or when you search some information on the computer, then it is termed as browsing and surfing. Search engines. Now it is a computer program that searches websites addresses for specified keywords and returns an appropriate list. So you might have seen Google. Now when you go to Google and when you type some keywords, say you want to see some information on say sports, and in sports, when you type sports or when you type cricket, then that is the keyword, cricket is the keyword that will search and give you the website addresses. Now when you click on these website addresses, you will get lots of information related to the topic. Okay, so this is the work of search engine, is to search that particular topic that you have typed in the box through that keyword, and will present you the website address. So it's a computer program that searches website addresses for a specified keywords and returns an appropriate list. Now some of the examples of search engine are Google, Yahoo, Bing, AltaVista, Khoj. There are lots more of search engines are also available on the internet. Potential threats of internet, which we call cyber threats. A cyber threat is an act of that attempts to gain access to a computer network without authorization from the user. That means your computer may be under cyber threat. They may uh, give you certain uh, send you certain spam or malicious content in your computer. It may hack your computers without your permissions. Now, different kinds of cyber threats are uh, Trojan, worms, spyware, and hackers. So these are some of the cyber threats. So Trojan and worms are a kind of virus or a malicious content, spyware. So these will do what? This will harm your computers. This will violate your computers. Hackers will hack your machines, hack your accounts, and can take away your money from the account. So these are different kinds of cyber threats which we should be aware of. A person should have the following knowledge to be aware of the cyber crimes. The basics of internet security. We should know how to secure our computers from this Trojan, worms, spyware, and hackers. The basic information of cyber law. So, what all things is done by these hackers, how to protect ourselves. So we need to give the information to the cyber branch. Okay, this branch actually check that any cyber crime is done by any person or not. If they are caught, they will be behind the bars. So we have to know the basic informations of cyber law. Cyber law means one who works on the computer. So cyber is related to the internet. So any crime done in the internet, we should know what are the law, rules. If anybody does any crime, then what are the ways to inform to the person related to the cyber crime or cyber branch. The impact of technology as crime. Now, there are so many technologies that has been developed, and some technologies are misused, and like hacking. The hacking can be good as well as bad. So through hacking, person hack your machines and get lot of important information from your machines. Without your informations, they can hack your machine, they can hack your account. So through this technology, they do certain crimes. Appropriate firewalls, antivirus, and other security measures must also be taken to avoid online banking frauds. So we have to install antivirus software in our computers to get rid of the viruses. Firewalls are a part of defenders of your computer that will defend, that will not allow the unauthorized websites to enter your computers. So these are some of the steps which we must take while working on the computers. Hope you all have understood the lesson and the internet terms. We will soon meet in our next session. Till then, take care. This is your Avjit sir signing off.